In this video, we're going to show you how to create resources within the resource section of Ojai for the global community or your private community. And so what you would need to do is to go ahead and navigate to your profile. And you are going to go ahead and go to Open Back Office. And from here, you're going to scroll down to where it says Resources. And then you're going to click Create. And now you'll be able to create a resource. So now you'll be able to choose different types of resources you can create, from videos to audios to courses, webinars, books, articles, and so on and so forth. So for this particular example, we're going to go create a video resource. And we're going to give it a title. And we're going to add a tag to it. And to add tags, you would simply type in any number of words you want to, then press enter, and then that would create an individual tag. You can continue that process over and over again. If you want to give credit to a particular author, you can either choose a name within the system that's already there, or type in a name or email address to add them. If you want to actually also include a contact email, if someone wants to go ahead and reach out to you about that course that you created, or if they're in a particular webinar and they have a question, you can add it there. And then from here, you can choose to change the brand color. You can choose to different types of colors to match your branding, or you can leave it as default. It will automatically choose a nice heat fade for you. And now you have options for in terms of privacy. You can choose to have this resource viewable by members only, which is members that are currently following you within your organizational page, or make it available to the global community. Okay. You can also choose, if there's a forum on that, you can choose to toggle the forum on and off. You can also choose, if you have a course, to click to toggle on certificate on completion. In another video, we'll go over creating courses. But for now, we left that off. And now what you're going to do is to go ahead and upload your video. Now you can choose to sort of upload, or you can also have the ability to just add a link. In this example, we're going to go ahead and add a YouTube link. Hit add. And whenever you add a resource, it's typically, the system's simply going to ask you, here you can choose to change the title of it here. And then you're going to need to choose what type of resource it is. So you're going to click video again. And you can also toggle on, let's say you have a document or things like that. You can choose to toggle on or off, making it downloadable or not. Okay. And so now from here, we're done. We went ahead and created all of that. We've added our information, and then we're going to go ahead and simply click create resource. And so now she would go to the resource section, and you should see that resource. And so all it is a simple video. Right? And if the form is toggled on, you are able to make comments or have discussions here on the forum side to make those comments. Right? And so here we're able to watch this video and create a simple, easy, simple, fast resource here within the community that's now available to the global community, or you can choose to opt to make sure it's only available for your members here. And so when they're logged in, right, from their profile, if you made it private to only show them, that only the people that are in this section here will be able to see that resource and make it viewable. They'll also be able to save it to their library. And then from here, we'll move on and show you more details about different types of resources we can create. But this is how you create a simple resource. And to manage that resource, we're going to go back to our back office. And here you can choose to either delete it, or if you want to edit it. In editing it, you can choose to change the type of resource it is. So, hey, if you no longer want it to be a video and you want to turn it into a full-on course, you can do that. Change whatever you need, hit save changes, and all of those changes will happen live. And as we've discussed in other videos, you can also then be able to embed that resource onto your website to allow it viewable on your website. For more information about how to do that, see our other videos on how to create embeddable job boards and resource boards for your website. Thank you.